Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the voice notification not working. First, go to your phone settings, then go to search for voice and make sure that you have turned notifications on for the voice app. Then open the voice app and then go to your profile icon and go to notifications and check whether you have allowed notification in the app as well. Turn on off do not disturb mode as it can block notifications. Also, allow the app to run in the background and disable battery optimization for it. Then restart your phone and check again. If the notifications are still not working, try logging out and logging back in. Then head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Wise and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. That's how you fix the voice verification not working. If this video has helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on another helpful guide.